What's up guys, it's Ken from K-Sport Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the ring muscle up. Alright guys, some key points of performance. We're finally here. We're at the actual muscle up stage. You've already mastered all these other pulling drills, so you should be ready to float up there today. When we start kipping on the high rings, I want you to think about, remember the false grip is going to be a lot easier, but it's going to be a lot more demanding on this little strip of skin here. So make sure you chalk that piece up so you have good grip and you're not slipping. Right down here. If you start to do your muscle ups and you slip in that false grip position, depending on how strong you are, it's going to be okay. Just try to keep like a pseudo position. Maybe not it's all the way down here, maybe it's in here, but it is going to get harder and harder as your hand gets deeper. But depending on how strong you pop your hips, you should float. So remember, when we kick up, get that big knee kick, knee hip pop, knee kick, knee hip pop. So here's the knee kick, knee kick. That's what's going to help your swing. Knee kick, knee kick. Starting to get that big arch position. And then we'll go knee kick, knee raise, knee kick, knee raise. And then you know what's coming next. The knee raise, you're going to pop the hips and then flip over, thinking about nose to toes. Here we go. Knee kick, knee hip, nose to toes. You can see why we practiced all the other things in the past of mastering that bottom dip position. Because once you combine all those other drills, they're going to float up there and you're going to be locked and loaded right there. Reason right there is how you do the muscle up. Now, when you're trying to link them together, you got to see from the side, as I lock out, I'm going to do a slight push away so that I can get right back into that position. Push it up, push away, get into the strong hollow arch position every rep. So at the top, from here, push away. If you skip your arch position here, you're going to have a hard time getting into that momentum. Push away, use your shoulders way more than you think, and pop those hips. If that's your first muscle up today, way to go guys. Keep working hard and get after it.